Right now it's draining, and this dishwasher was making lots of noise when it was washing, and sometimes it was making noise when it was draining. مشتاق مشتاق. Okay. Right now there's not enough water, so it's good. You can take the stuff out. Usually there's two clips. You open those two clips, and then this basket will come out. Another basket, and open this. Open this small piece. This one too. There's one screw. You're going to open it, just use a regular screwdriver. It will open it. This one is out, as you can see. It's out. There's another piece. Most of the time when you take this piece out, you will find lots of garbage, debris, glass pieces, stone, seeds, anything that you don't register from your dishwasher. Sometimes if something breaks down, it will come closer to this area or underneath this. So here, the noise was from this piece, which is I don't know, it's a glass piece or whatever. You can feel it. It's a really hard piece, and it was down here, just here. And again, even if your dishes are not coming clean, make sure you clean this area. Take this piece out, stick your hand there, and then take pieces like this out. Can you see this piece out? So here, hold this. I'll put back everything back together. This piece goes first. And this piece goes second. This one in. Taking again. Make sure align that area. You may need one screw there, and also on top here. Align it like this. See that? It should align like that. You hold it. And then this piece goes all the way up. Screw it in. Tight it and spin it with your hand to make sure it's spinning. This piece goes after, and make sure right here it's like a straight line or holes. Aligns all the way to the back. There's another plastic rubber piece hole that's supposed to align there. Then this piece will go in, spin it in and rotate it. It's tight. And this is the last piece that's getting inside. Okay, this piece goes after. The top piece. Align the legs there. It's fixed. Thank you for watching our video.